So if you have an AP1, you're probably not too familiar with this part. I recently found a thread online that talked about this and had no idea about this until I've had my car for 5 years now and had no idea about this, but this is the part number I just picked up from Honda, and I added this to an existing order. This is like $8 as of right now in 2021. It's a fancy zip tie that braces the map sensor plug to the map sensor. Apparently it's a Honda bulletin from the 2000, S2000s to 2004, and they started adding this in late 2004, 2005 to, I'm not sure if it's in the AP2 V2s or just the AP2 V1s, but essentially the problem is there's a faulty connection between your map sensor plug and your map sensor, and I've never had a problem with it, but I bought this just to you know, be sure of it and add it since it's technically supposed to be there with the bulletin that came out. But it's a pretty expensive zip tie. I think it's only one use. I don't see a release tab for the zip tie in this, but essentially all you do is pop it over the map sensor until you hear it snap on, and you loop this zip tie around the connector and then back through where you would normally put a zip tie, just like that, and then just pull it tight until you have a 1 millimeter gap between the tab and the locking feature right here. So they don't actually want the plug to be that far out. Maybe the pins aren't squeezing the terminals tight enough, but this is definitely just a quirky thing on the S2000. Never knew about it until now. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you own an S2000 and have never heard of this, or with, you know, specifically an AP1, because it's probably on everything after 05. But yeah, let me know if you have any idea about this. And as you saw, the part numbers in the beginning of the video, and they're still available from Honda if you want to pick one up. So feel free to add that to your to-do list. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.